Camera and action. So I found this place. It's a pirate museum here in Newport Beach. I find it really interesting how much collection that they had to actually collect to be able to get this. Ooh, look at that one. Interesting. Not really familiar with all the characters from the movies, Pirates of the Caribbean, but I find it really interesting though. They have a ton of them, probably from other movies, other films. Funny I could go inside, but that was hanging by the little tab there. That's how King come close from by. Oh, it's a short one. Just wanted to show you this location really quick. The Pirate Museum in Newport Beach. Interesting, right? And now. Well, I hope you enjoy this small little trip here in Newport Beach. Found this location in Google Maps a while back when I was looking for more locations to see, and I saw a pirate house, and I'm like, I have a lot of friends that are majorly hardcore pirate fans, so yeah, this place exists here in Newport Beach. Small little house with some boats outside and pirates and stuff. So unfortunately I couldn't go in. I don't think there's access to go in there. It's just more like an outside museum. I don't think you can go inside, but anyways, that's what's fun. It's fun to see, take little pictures and so. If you ever want to check it out here in Newport Beach, look for it. I'll give you the location if anything, and that was fun. Hopefully you enjoyed this small little video, and till the next time, thank you for watching.